Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coin Market Hub. Today I am going to review a platform that's genuinely impressed me, Xtazy. After personally testing, I can confidently say it's a game changer in the crypto space. Before we get into details of the platform, I would request all my viewers, if you are new on my YouTube channel Coin Market Hub, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In this way you will be able to get the notifications of the further upcoming videos. So here is our platform, that is Xtazy. Xtazy is a next generation digital asset exchange designed with the user in mind. Whether you are buying, trading, or spending digital assets, Xtazy offers a seamless experience with a global first approach. It's accessible to anyone, anywhere. Key highlights include real-time cashback, effortless trading, and a sleek, intuitive interface. Since its official launch, Xtazy has been gaining traction for its user-centric features and innovative tools. Exchange, expand, engage, swap, buy, sell, and trade crypto assets effortlessly with our transparent, user-friendly platform. Enjoy seamless transaction, real-time data, and make informed decision making. Swap now and open an account. Later in the video, dear friends, I will go to explain how can you open an account and how can you register or sign up your account, redefining your crypto experience with our limitless web 3.0 solutions. Effortlessly buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies with our user-friendly platform, offering fast transactions and non-custodial security, 0.10% lowest transaction fees, 12 billion plus assets management, 5 million plus Xtazy users worldwide, and here you can check that 450 plus supported cryptocurrencies available on this platform. Here you can swap crypto, here you can buy and sell crypto, 0.0006, and here you can check BTC, and here the link is given for swapping, and here certified by experts, loved by users, and here you can check that Trustpilot and Hacken has certified this amazing platform. What makes Xtazy stand out? We are passionate about delivering exceptional value to our users. So, dear friends, by combining cutting edge technology with customers' first service, we create a platform where innovation and success converge. At its 98% is triumph rates, satisfied client 100K, and 8-minute average exchange time. So here you can check order book. This is amazing offer of this platform, and here you can check trade smarter, not harder, experience ultra low fees, lightning fast transactions, experience ultra low fees, lightning fast transactions, robust APIs, and advanced features, and designed for seamless trading. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Your simple guide to navigating. Very simple. Just select your currency and then deposit your funds and then receive your crypto. So it's amazing. Very simple. Very user friendly. Maximize your earning with Xtazy Elite. Sign up for a free account to unlock the exclusive benefits. Enhance your trading experience. And this is Elite program, cashback, and P2P trading, and spot and future trading. These are the amazing features that are going to be available on Xtazy. So here you can check the Xtazy wallet. Here you can check trading record, here you can check P2P buying, and here you can check the balance available. So it's very simple and easy interface, very easy for the traders, very easy for the newcomers, and very easy for the amazing opportunities for the newcomers. So dear friends, don't miss the chance, be part of this amazing platform. Here you can get virtual card, real-time rewards, seamless spot trading, P2P power, user-friendly interface, and future trading, staking, and copy trading, continuous platform updates. After spending time on Xtazy, I appreciate its commitment to user experience. The platform's real-time rewards and low fees make trading not just efficient but also rewarding. The upcoming features like staking and copy trading show Ecstasy dedication to providing comprehensive tools for all types of traders. Ready to experience Ecstasy for yourself? Sign up today and explore. So here you can check the views, find out how our users are spreading the world. You can check the reviews of the users of the Ecstasy, Daniel Leo, Leonard Karen, and many other names. So here, partner with us and let's grow. Here you can check the active monthly payouts, 1 million plus total payout, 79k active partners, estimated reward is given, and here you can check the drive growth with crypto swaps and unlocked steady profits. Frequently asked questions. If you have any question in your mind, you can get answers. Still you have any question, please don't forget to drop in the comment section. Try the future today. Download Ecstasy app, and here you can check the link of downloading Ecstasy app on from Google Play and App Store. So it's also available in the form of QR scan code. Just QR code, scan the QR code and get the application. Get it on Google Play, download it on from the Apple Play Store. So dear friends, don't be late, be part of this platform. It is going to be very full of opportunities for you. You can discover seamless P2P trading and many other features from this platform. Global access to diverse trading, and here you can check the coming soon features. Raffle, try to your luck and win big. This is amazing feature that is coming soon. The raffle is currently under development and will be available on the Ecstasy platform soon. Upgrade to an Ecstasy Ultra account to be the first to be participate. And here you can check the simplify your spending with the Ecstasy virtual card, and this is amazing feature are available on coming soon. It's very coming soon. So dear friends, be part of this amazing platform, and now I will explain how you can sign up your account on Ecstasy. So dear friends, it's a sign up interface. You can sign up through your Google, you can sign up through your Apple, and here you first of all you will have to enter your name, and then you will have to enter your email, then you will have to enter your password, and then you will have to enter your referral code if available, and then you can sign up. It's so simple and easy. So next is the amazing feature of Ecstasy. Ecstasy is live, the latest evolution in crypto trading. Join now. Here you can amazing feature of this platform, the Telegram community of Ecstasy official channel. Welcome to the Ecstasy official channel. Stay updated with the latest news, crypto insights, and community events. And here is the official page of Ecstasy on Twitter. I would suggest to all my viewers to follow this page to get the real-time insights, updates, announcements about the platform and the different events and different features being introduced on this platform. And dear friend, after signing up your account, you can get this interface. Welcome to the Ecstasy crypto swap. Here you can see your wallet, here you can see your trading record, and here you can check P2P recording, and here you can check swap crypto, and here you can check buy and sell crypto. So dear friends, here you can check, we can select buy and sell crypto, and we can check swap crypto. Here you can make swap, and you can connect your quantum wallet, you can connect your MetaMask, Phantom, or all wallets which is compatible to Ecstasy. So dear friends, here you can see I am connecting my Phantom wallet to Ecstasy. The icon is appeared connect. So here we will click icon connect. So here you can see that we have connected our wallet. So you can avail the features of Ecstasy. So dear friends, here you can become part of the Ecstasy referral reward plan. Here you, after signing up your account, you can get your referral link, share it with your friends and family, and invite them to get connected on the Ecstasy. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto insights. Drop your thoughts or questions about Ecstasy in the comment below. Until next time, happy trading. Explore Ecstasy, a modern user-first platform revolutionizing the way we buy, trade, and spend digital assets with
So
features
dear
like a
friends, here
global
you can check
virtual
the
card,
referral reward program of
real-time rewards,
Ecstasy.
and
Here
seamless
just
trading.
go
Ecstasy
after
is
signing up your
designed for
account. You can
everyone,
get your referral
everywhere.
link, copy your
So thank
link
you for
and
watching
share
the
it with
video.
your
Let's
friends
see you
to
again with
get
the
them
next
connected with
video.
Ecstasy.